I like to start my morning off with just a little facial cream for my face. I don't know what y'all use, but I use a lot of different stuff. I like this. I put this on in the daytime and at night. Oh, you really don't need much. I try to take care of my skin. I need to get a wax. Anybody had their vagina wax? Tell me how that feel. Good morning, my beautiful people. Don't forget to be brave, be strong, be beautiful, and love yourself. Be brave, be strong, be beautiful, and love yourself. Be brave, be strong, be beautiful, and love yourself. I am beautiful. I am brave. I am strong. I am enough. I love myself. I'm okay. Yes, I have some mental health problems, but I am okay. Yes, I'm working on getting help. Sometimes I'm not okay, but I know I am brave, I am strong, I am beautiful, and I love myself. It's pouring some positive. Krista, you are beautiful. Krista, you are brave.